Alright, here we go. Volkswagen San Bernardino custom trailer smoker competition. Santa Maria grill, huge. Granite countertop, diamond plate, prep table, smoker with counter-weight, horizontal smoker, chrome damper, 4 burners, dialed in, ready to go. Here's a vertical smoker, first burn, smoke vault, firebox down low. We're running at 350. He's running at almost 300 for the first burn. Only reason why we're doing this so high, we're trying to grease those grates, get those grates greased real nice. Here's the horizontal. We're running at 250 in the horizontal, 225 on the smaller end. You got your damper, counterweight, competition latches, cool to touch handles. Here's your Santa Maria grill, your propane burners, your smoke. Let's open it up and see what we got in here. G-Stacks Professional Smokers and Pits. Oh, there we go. There we go. Smoke, baby, smoke. Well, you know, once you put your meat in here, there's no opening up no doors. You're only going to open up that door one time. You see your flame coming from your firebox. Huge grates. Slide out grates. You don't, so you get away from, you run away from that smoke. Here's my hand. Look how big the grate is compared to my hand. Ooh, and it's warm too. You got you got another slide out grate on the top. Slide right on out. We're running slow and low, y'all. G-Stacks Professional Smokers and Pits. Holla at me.